One task per day, 15 minutes max, flexible enough to survive real weeks. In this video, I'll show you exactly where that money goes and what to do about it. Stay with me. It's never one big expense. It's dozens of small invisible ones. Forgotten subscriptions, grocery waste, bills nobody calls to lower. The average family loses over $200 a month this way. The fix isn't complicated. You just need to see it clearly. Here are the 5 changes. Number 1, one task per day, 15 minutes max. Number 2, set a timer before starting. Number 3, missing a day does not restart. Number 4, Saturday is one deep task rotating. Number 5, review after 30 days. Done in one afternoon, these put real money back in your pocket this month. If you want the full system, I put together a guide called The When You Were Never Taught to Clean. Everything you need to get started. Get it at ccdaily.gumroad.com/l/mscry. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Practical tips every week. Link in the description to get started. See you in the next video.